Hey everybody, Pop Scrap here. Today I'm scrapping out an old copper tank. Now there's a few bits that's good in it. Now it's not for reselling, it's basically done just for scrap basically. What I'm doing here at the minute is I'm sorting out scrap here. Almost right in there, that's for it's copper, that's number 2 copper. So I made a couple of cuts out with the angle grinder on it. I made a cut here to open this up and a cut here. Now it should pull apart, pretty simple, but things don't work like that as usual. But made a couple of cuts on it. Get the hammer here now. I made a couple of cuts on it with the angle grinder just to clean it up a bit. Now there's a couple of brass bits on this. I'll show you here now. There's a good few bits that has to come off this first, if they come off. A lot of steel on it. Paid more than I should be for this, to be honest. Shouldn't have paid as much as I did. As you can see here, this is all clean, pure brass. Into the brass container. Couple more screws here, so you get a flat head, so you can take a few off easier than that way. Decent sized flathead, yeah. Drill. Now, a couple more pieces of heavy, nice, decent brass. This is another area that has to be cut off. The angle grinder, that's all brass that. The disc is nearly gone. So, I'm going to put a cut down this here without taking the leg of myself. Should pull off. Simple. There we go. This has to be took off there, so that's all brass. So, put a cut on this, take that brass off. There we go. That off. That's all clean brass. Pretty much clean brass. As is. That goes into brass. Now this, that's off. Clip. Copper or brass. Yeah, they're brass because you can see the brass on them here. So that's good. A bit of extra value. Get up there because it has to be scrapped. This is useless. That's gone. Now, take this off next. The hatchet is a great job. Takes off it easy. Now I did put a cut in this. This should pop off. There we go. Now I scrapped a lot of these out before. That's my clean copper. Basically, bit of brass here. See that come on? I'll be waiting on. Yeah, it's nice clean water in it now, so turn it like that, and hopefully it's water. Take that out, more brass. As I said, guys, here's a little quick one for you to see what I'm at. Whew, made a mess I have. Yeah, it's copper there now, so I'm happy out with that. I'll go in with the tank. Building up nicely. I have a big wire pickup to do today. Get more wire. Yeah, that's it, guys. A quick one for you. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next.